do some slow powder bobs. You'll be back in clock tick. What? I haven't watched it. I don't like musicals. And I just feel like, okay. Oh. That's probably why I don't get it. But that dude from Bridgerton is in there. Literally, we talked about this already. You're like, me and Polly are leaving. Hey, Purple Jean, how are you? Kate, are you not a mod? Jesus Christ, what's going on? All I know is this. Wow, wow, wow. It was good, huh? Okay, now I stand for Grease because I grew up watching Grease. That's a fan favorite in my house. Now every other musical I can't. I don't know about that, but just pretend like this is green, okay? I said too much thinking. Stop yelling. Oh my god. Hating on my singing voice. First of all, I'm gonna put some respect. Who do y'all think is the backup singer for Beyonce and Mariah Carey? Yeah, remember We Belong Together? That was me. Did you win? Chat, act like, just to confuse people that are just joining, Act like somebody just said something like nasty. Like mine better than the musical, period. So just respond in the chat and just act like somebody said something nasty. I got chills, they're multiplying, and I'm losing control, cause the power you're supplying, it's electrifying. You better shape up, boo, 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 cause I need a man, In my heart, it said, are you? I better shape up. You better understand. In my heart, I must be true. Nothing left for me to do. You're the one that I want. You are the one I want. Ooh, honey. The one I need. Oh, yes, indeed. See, y'all lucky I don't try out for American Idol, because I won't be here squeezing. I'll be on tour. But I gave up that so I could do this. This is my dream. I have 11 dish soaps left that are $1.50. That's what I got. Unless if you really want recycled, but shit, I don't want to do that. Well, I said we run grease in my house. It's different. I don't consider grease usable. I like grease too. There, I said it. Grease 2 is so good with Michelle Pfeiffer. It's slept on. It's a musical, whatever. I need a cool rider. I need a cool. Yeah, I hate when people don't like that one. And that, why he acted like he was going off to war to try to get that girl to have sex with him. Bro, what the hell? 100 missed calls from Simon Cowell. Oh, hell no. He'll roast my ass. He'd be like, what is that god-awful sound? It's coming from your mouth. He'll be roasting me bad, for sure. Hey. Hi, Leo and Kiana. Is that how you say it? Hope that's right. Ooh, so good. Flip it around, wicked witch. That's my stem. And also, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, release them. I wish that I haven't had a phone to call you up. Wait, you actually reached my goal? What? Nobody told me nothing. Thank you. Y'all are amazing, wonderful. Thank you for the heart. Hi, Polly. Wait, I told Polly I wanted to sound like her because she sounds so sweet. So now I have to talk like her and be like, hey, everybody. Because I was like, why do I feel like, how do I sound like man sometimes? Oh my God, I did that scream. It almost splashed in my eyes. I did that scream like the Virgin. Like that girl. And I'm talking about, ah!